Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you guys like how to do keyword research using Google My Trends. I am sure have you familiar with this site uh, Google My Trends. Here you can see Google Trends. Yeah, this tool let you do keyword research on any country you see. Here we will use United States, and yeah, and now we will search for SEO service in Houston. Okay, now we will hit enter, and here we can see that here is showing your past result for 24 hours. Here you can see for the last past year that how many web searches are there. Here you can see that on last year 2025 here there was a 90 search volume. There is a decline, then there is okay a decline. Now it is also searching. So here you can see your top queries, here your SEO agency, your rising queries, which of the most of the people are searching for. Here you can see your filters, your current date, your past trend, your everything here. And for web searches, you can also set for YouTube, Google Shop, images, or anything else. Right now, if you go to the trending now, it will show you that here like United States. Here these are the most hot topics which are currently searching, and you can use it to rank in search engine results. Here you can set your categories as well, such as your entertainment. Here you can see your entertainment like Justice Smith for are showing, all trends are showing here. So and you can do for games. Here is jackpot, your pitch black, your Ubisoft football game, Stegas, and you can also check for last 48 hours. Here you will see a GTA 6 delay, Rockstar Games, which is the most in hype, and like a Marvel token, and even PlayStation 5, which you can see all the most trending topics if you want to uh, research any of the topic or blog if you are running like technology. Here like people are searching for already for iPhone 18 Pro Max because it is about to be launched this year in a couple of months. So here you can see a PlayStation 5 as a Xperia, Apple Watch Ultra 4, which has 1K plus of search volume and started in last 24 hours. So here like you can literally research any trending topic, any new trends which are going worldwide famous. And here like if you want to go to like United Kingdom, yeah, it will also let you like where like for example health, and like here it is showing you show dementia, your nationwide, your yet copper, your Ebola. So this is a really a very good trend uh, for searching any most searchable trend. And here in top queries, like if you like the term just SEO and hit enter, uh, you will see yeah here this trend. And here you now you will see top queries, like you can use all these queries in your blog, in your content. And here are rising queries which have you substantial search volume, like your SEO agency, your GEO versus SEO, your SEO best tool, your SEO best service, and furthermore SEO near me, local SEO near me, best SEO company, best SEO company near me. Here you can see all of the rising queries which are people are using to search for this. And here you see SEO optimization, SEO meaning, SEO software, SEO companies, SEO near me. Now you can track all of the your uh, top queries and your rising queries as well. And for now look at the trending here. And if you want to export the file, you can also export it to CSV, your copy to clipboard, or RSS feed also. And After that, you can also state by the relevancy to title, search volume, or recency. So this is about the Google Trends, which is really a best tool for keyword research, and it is also best for researching any trends in any country, in anywhere in the whole world. And you can just set your location, just set your time, your niche, your category, any category you want. It is already mentioned here, your trends, your relevancy, and after that you can also research by here in your search trend. You can set any YouTube for Google Shopping, for news search, for image search as well. And this is your country. See, this is your time frame, which you can also set it for custom and see in the last previous years or last previous decades is any of the trend you want to research about it, or any of the article or blog writing for that service. So you can use Google Trends for the keyword research. So this is pretty much about it. Please do subscribe my channel for more informative tips and tricks, and getting learn about the new SEO trends, as well as GEO, generative engine optimization, and answer engine optimization as well. Okay, see you, tata.